everything. It's everything. It's everything. What it's meant to be will be.
Alright guys, we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. My hair is blown out and I will link a video on how to blow out your hair in the description box. But as you guys can see, I'm using a red tail comb and I'm just parting my hair slanted on the side. And then I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and combing through my hair, making sure that it is not tangled at all for our halo braid. So then I'm just going to clip the smaller portion back, and we're going to start off with the larger portion that's going to take over a majority of our face. So as you guys can see, I am just simply doing a French braid. You can do a 2-strand twist if you like for your halo style, but I am doing a braid. And as you guys can see, I'm just braiding and then smoothing the hair down as I go to get into our halo braid. Since my hair is shorter, doing a side apart actually works really well with doing a halo braid. It brings it completely together. That way the braids are level and they look really nice. So as you guys can see, I'm just continuing to braid all the way down, making sure I'm bringing the hair down into the braid, smoothing it so everything in the center of my head lays down smooth. And if your hair is blown out, or if you go ahead and stretch it out using a banding method, I don't recommend putting any product on your hair before doing the style because it's definitely going to revert back. So I recommend maybe just putting a little oil if your hair needs moisture, but that's it. And as you guys can see, I left some hair out on the side of my hair where I normally curl them up just to give the style a little bit more flair. And then I'm just braiding that braid all the way down to the end before starting on the next one. Now we're going to go ahead and start on the smaller portion, and I'm just going to start French braiding like I did on the other side and bringing it completely around. Just remember to keep smoothing your hair down in the middle so it lays flat, and then also pushing it up in the back so that you're getting all of the hair into your braid. And then you're just going to keep braiding until you get to the end. And once you get to the end, what we're going to do is take some closed bobby pins and intertwine the two braids into each other and pin them down like I'm doing here. And then next I'm just going to apply some edge control and lay down my baby hair. This is definitely optional, but I'm using edge control because I don't want my hair to revert back. And then I'm just going to take my silk scarf and wrap it around my head to lay my flyaways down. And once I'm all done, this is what my halo braid looks like. It is super cute, a really simple and easy protective style that should last you about a week if you wrap it up at night. But yes, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!